Built to Sell by John Warrillow is a practical guide for business owners who want to create a company that can thrive without them and, ultimately, be sold for significant value. Presented as a fictional story of a struggling business owner, Alex, and his mentor, Ted, the book illustrates essential lessons about turning a business into a scalable and sellable asset. Key themes and concepts. Focus on specialization. The book emphasizes the importance of narrowing a business's focus to one core product or service. Ted advises Alex to stop offering a wide array of advertising services and instead specialize in creating logos. This specialization allows the business to build expertise, improve efficiency, and become more appealing to potential buyers. Develop processes and systems. A business should operate independently of the owner. Ted encourages Alex to document repeatable processes and build a systemized workflow for creating logos. This ensures the business can run smoothly and consistently, even if Alex steps away. A system-driven company is easier to scale and more attractive to buyers. Build a brand, not just a business. Warrillow highlights the importance of building a strong brand that is recognized and trusted in the market. Alex's company grows because it becomes known for delivering high-quality logos, which creates a unique selling proposition and helps attract more clients. Create recurring revenue streams. A steady, predictable income stream increases a company's value. Ted advises Alex to offer a subscription-based service for ongoing brand support, creating a recurring revenue model that boosts the business's appeal to acquirers. Hire and delegate. The book underscores the need for owners to step away from day-to-day operations. Alex hires a strong sales team and builds a structure where his employees, not him, handle client interactions and project delivery. This shift enables the business to thrive without relying on Alex's personal involvement. The importance of positioning. Ted stresses the need to position the business for acquisition. This involves targeting a niche market, demonstrating growth potential, and ensuring financial health. Buyers are drawn to companies with clear scalability and profitability. Know your end goal. The book encourages entrepreneurs to think strategically about their end goal. Whether aiming to sell the business or retain ownership, the steps outlined help create a company that is more sustainable, profitable, and enjoyable to run. Actionable lessons. Specialize in what you do best. Avoid trying to be everything to everyone. Focus on a niche. Systematize operations. Document processes to ensure consistency and scalability. Build a team. Delegate responsibilities to free yourself from daily operations. Create recurring revenue. Develop subscription models or ongoing services for predictable income. Think like a buyer. Position your business to be attractive to potential acquirers by focusing on growth, efficiency, and independence from the owner.